How to enable Autolock on SafePal wallet. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can enable Autolock on SafePal wallet. To do so, first of all, you'll need to open your SafePal application on your mobile device and make sure here you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will land on this home page. Here at the top left, you'll be able to see the settings icon. Tap on the settings icon and in the settings menu here select security on the very top. Once you select it, here on this page, you'll be able to locate the option auto lock. Once you find it, simply tap on it. And now at the bottom, you'll be able to see this pop-up. From here, you can select your preferred time interval, whether you want to auto lock immediately or after the certain time. Choose one of these options for how long the app should wait before locking automatically when it is not in use. Simply select the option and here you will be prompted to enter the security password. Enter your security password and then you will be able to make the changes. So by following these steps, you should be able to enable Autolock on SafePal. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.